So if you need to make a content brief that has all of the details in it that you need to make a good page for your SEO, all you need is this GPT called the Competitor Content Brief Generator. It's got all of the best practices built in. And all you need to do is take the text of 2 or 3 pages, just copy and paste it into the GPT, and it's going to create a content brief for you. You don't even have to give it prompts. So here's text one. And in my example, it's how to improve email open rates. And I just picked 3 pages that are ranking well for this topic. I did this one here and the top two. So I've got this text, and now I'm going to grab this text, how to increase your email open rates. So all of these pages cover different things. So here's the third one. I'm going to give it 3 pages of text, and hopefully it doesn't hit the input character limit. Put all that in there, and then you just hit enter, and it's going to make a content brief for you. It'll just take a second. It's thinking, and then it's going to start breaking it down. I'm going to scroll down. Here we go. So now it's making the content brief for us, how to increase your email open rates, and it breaks it down into everything you need. So we've got your title, we've got the options for page titles, word count range, search intent, page goal, target persona, page format options, meta description ideas, URL slug, H1 ideas, and then it breaks it down into the actual heading structure and what each heading should cover within that heading structure. So there's all of the headings, steps 1 through 12, and then some even more bonus stuff at the bottom. We've got entity ideas, semantic search ideas, list table and data ideas, more topic ideas, EEAT ideas, FAQ, CTA, external links, media ideas, and a competitor summary. So it's quite a comprehensive brief. And then you can just click copy right here and add it to your clipboard. It will be in Markdown format. If you don't want it to be in Markdown and you want it to be in rich text, you just got to copy the whole thing like this, like highlight it, and then copy and paste it into like a Google Doc or something. So this GPT, the Competitor Content Brief Generator, is super helpful. If you find it in the GPT store, just search it by name there. If you're in the AI SEO Academy, it's right in the classroom in the Competitor Content Brief Generator GPT, and it's got a little guide on how to use it and the types of things it'll give you. So that'll help you make content briefs quickly and easily.